Hello, this is Solomon Davis with Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is April 24th, 2017, and this is just a morning trade, kind of like going over the 5-minute play. 5-minute play, like I said, it's a 70% chance that you're going to be successful. You look at it a lot of times all based on some of the rules and all based on my rules, the way I trade it. It's 75 to 70% for me, and let me let you all know this is all for educational purposes only. Let's bring up the disclaimer where you can see that, read that. Trading is risky. You can and will lose money in trading. Trading is not for everyone. So, but let me switch over to the chart right quick, show you a trade that I got into this morning, and show you why I did it a little bit different than what the 5-minute play calls for. Let's see if I can switch screens. Apply change. Boom. Okay. You are seeing, yes, the virtual account. First of all, 5-minute play. First of all, we will be looking at this candle. Is this candle bigger than 10 points? That's one of the rules. You watched the other video. Low, this candle was 95. High, this candle was 502. Almost there, but not quite there. Okay. The other thing that you look at when you're trading this is the NASDAQ, the way I like trading the NASDAQ. This market had gapped up. Boom. So I'm the type that expects the gap, and if it doesn't try to make a big pullback before the morning and been trending up all day, all morning, put it that way, I'm gonna look at this thing and decide what I want to do at the opening. And at the opening, I'm looking at it to go higher, and as you can see, I'm just about ready to go get out of my trade. Except we know, if you've been trading the market for any time, in order for the big guys to get into that trade, they kind of like sell to themselves. Once you realize that's what's happening out there, they can be on both sides of the market. They don't play. Maybe some people say they don't play fair, but the thing is, you can see what's happening out there, just based on where the money is going, and based on where the market is going. That's why I like looking at the charts. The charts don't lie. I don't care about no news, no other information that somebody may try to give me. The chart's gonna tell me what's happening. The chart was telling me this market was going up all morning, and you were getting little pullbacks all morning long. You got a pullback there. You got a little pullback there. You got a little pullback there. You got a little pullback there in the market before it opened. So where did I get in at? Even though that first 5-minute, I zoomed in on that first 5-minute candle in that area, I saw this market going up. It seemed like it was coming up, and it did this big red candle down. Red candle down, should be playing it down, but no, y'all would have got stopped out if I played it down. And also, I looked and I saw this big tail on this candle here. I didn't get into this trade. I got into this trade about right here at 97. I'll scroll this down for you here to see it in the virtual account. So I got in at 97.50 here. And I looked to make my 10 points. And I noticed, I wish I would have got in, I wish I could have got in lower. But again, I need that confirmation. Well, for myself, the way I trade, I look for, okay, are you going to break this area here? And now my next area, okay, yes, I want to get into this trade. Now should I only go for 5 points? 5 points, well, I would have been out of this trade. One contract if I had played 2 contracts. Now the next thing I notice, my area that I need to go to is above this high. If I have to get out of this trade above this high, I know I got to be patient and wait for this market to come back up here in order to get me out of this trade and will that happen? I don't know. I really don't know. But that sometimes you put a couple extra contracts on. You take some of you scale out of that position, and you end up leaving the contract on at the end to see what's going to happen. If you have to have a stop in, now is the time to put your stop in. You would have your stop down here somewhere. And I like if you guys seen some of my other videos, I like managing my trades with my stop, and I would move my stop on up like this, to lock in now that $100 on that trade, to make sure I at least get that on that trade. But I have to watch it since I didn't put it on as an order cancel order and sit in front of the computer to make sure if my stop is hit, I'm out of my trade. If my target is hit, I'm out of my trade. Or I can just change it to an order cancel order, which is best I'll do here on this virtual side, just to show you how that's done, where you don't even have to watch it. Now, might get us out though right here before I'm even able to do that. Let's see. Let's pull this stop down just a little bit. Up, we're out. And that's it. So you still, after the market has gone all the way up here, you still lock in $130 on that trade, and that's a good payday. And that's all I really want to cover here today is on make sure you always cancel all these orders and make sure you're flat. And you don't leave any orders open to be filled for a buy as an opening order, where you end up doing something that you really don't want to do. So that's it. That's all I really want to show here on this trade. So let me get back and look at the rest of the market with whatever else I got going on here. You have a great week trading. And again, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Let me switch back over here to the other screen. Apply. Boom. Also, check us out on YouTube. I'll try to post this video up here today. Go ahead and do it, and so you guys can see this. Talk to you later. Bye.